Hello friends, I'm Lokesh, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com. We have a question based on time and work, and to be more specific, it is based on pipes and cisterns. The question says, a cistern has two taps which fill it in 12 minutes and 15 minutes respectively, and an exhaust tap. When all three taps are open together, it takes 20 minutes to fill the empty cistern. How long will the exhaust tap take to empty it? So let us see how we can solve such a question. As it is given that in a cistern we have two taps coming in, tap A and tap B for example. And also there is an exhaust tap, let's say C, which is emptying the cistern. So tap A is taking, let's say, 12 minutes to fill the tank. Tap B is taking 15 minutes to fill the tank. And all the three taps working together take 20 minutes to fill the empty cistern. Now the question is, how long does the exhaust tap take to empty the cistern? So again we have two ways in which we can solve such a problem. First of all, when A takes 12 minutes to fill the cistern, therefore in 1 minute tap A fills 1 by 12 of the cistern. Similarly, if B takes 15 minutes to fill the cistern, in 1 minute it takes 1 by 15 or fills 1 by 15 of the cistern. And similarly for C, we do not know, so let us assume C takes C minutes to empty the cistern, and therefore in 1 minute it takes 1 by C, or it empties 1 by C part of the cistern. When all of them are working together, so let us see if they're working together. That means all the three taps are open, two inlet taps and one exhaust tap. So I can say A1 plus B1 plus C1, that is their 1 minute work should be equal to, because it is given that together they fill up the cistern in 20 minutes. So their 1 minute task will be equal to 1 by 20 part of the cistern, because 20 minutes will give us the completely filled cistern. Now A1 is nothing but 1 by 12 plus B1 is 1 by 15. Now C1 is 1 by C, but please understand this is an exhaust pipe, and therefore it should come with a negative sign, which is minus 1 upon C is equal to 1 upon 20. If we take C on one side and rest of the values on the other, it comes out as 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 minus 1 by 20. If we take the LCM, let's suppose if I take 60, 12 5s are 60, 15 4s are 60, and 23s are 60. So this gives me 6 by 60, which is going to be 1 by 10. And therefore I can say the value of C becomes 10 minutes. So in 10 minutes, tap C can empty the cistern. So this is how we can solve a problem of this category. Now there can be another approach to this question, which is called as total work method, where what we can do is we can assume the total work as a multiple of the given values in the question. So if I assume, for example, if I assume 120 units of work, and if A can do this work in 12 minutes, so A's 1 minute work can be written as 120 upon 12, and that is 10 units. Similarly, B's 1 minute work can be written as 120 divided by 15, which is equal to 8 units. For C, we do not know, and that's what we are trying to figure out. But it is given that all three of them can fill a tank in 20 minutes. That means if I write it as A1 plus B1 minus C1 is equal to 120 by 20, and that is going to be, because we have all the three pipes can fill the tank in 20 minutes when they work together. So therefore we can say that it is 120 by 20, and that is going to be 6 units. Now A1 is 10, B1 is 8, so 18 minus C1 is equal to 6, and therefore your C1 comes out to be 12 units. So that means in 1 minute pipe C can empty 12 units. So for 120 units, C will require 120 by 12, and that is 10 minutes to empty the tank. So in either ways, your answer comes out as 10 minutes. So the method is not going to affect the answer. And hence we can say answer to this question is option number 4, that is 10 minutes. So this is how we can solve such a question. I hope it is clear to everyone. Thank you.